Done operating one sector, dead heading now. क्या खाने वाले हो? चिकन करी राइस का वेट कर रहे हैं हम लोग. आप लोग को दिल्ली का माहौल दिखा देते हैं अभी. इतना रश, इतना एक्साइटमेंट, कितना एक्साइटेड अभी एसएसआर को सर्व करने के लिए. 141 man, oh god. What is wrong with my hats? Passenger boarding अभी रखते हैं फोन.
Just to remain seated with their seatbelts fastened.
हम लोग लास्ट में है ना, तो हम लोग चाय बना रहे हैं खुद के लिए. Alright, so about to go for the flight. Before I get ready, let's eat. Alright, so I just arrived at the hotel, and I don't know, for some reason OCC gave just me this hotel, and my other crew, they're staying at the other hotel. So today I'm staying alone in this hotel in the single occupancy room, which is kind of great because you know you have your privacy and stuff. So yeah, heading towards my room. Good day, मिल गया. This is gonna be my room for the night. Ooh, so pretty cute. Let me give you guys a quick room tour. This is the bedside table and a chair. You have the bed. That's the shower portion, washroom and all. You have a TV, a desk, and that's me in the mirror. And this is the washroom. Now I'm gonna quickly take a shower and just go down to the buffet to eat something, because Pride Plaza do not offer in-room dining when the buffet is open. So I'm gonna have to go down to eat, which I'm not complaining about because the buffet is kind of khali, so I just can't go. So yeah, did 4 sectors today, awfully tired. Was an eventful flight. My hair is coming off. That is how you can tell that it was an eventful or a long flight, long day, long sectors for me. Now I'm just gonna like take shower, freshen up, and go down for the dinner. Check out the view from my room today. Kolkata, Mary John. All I'm saying. So the dessert counter is looking good. Let's see what else do we have for menu today. When in doubt what to eat, eat everything. How simple as that. That's my dinner, and the person, the soul who works here, is really sweet. He offered me this mocktail, and he has carved this aircraft in this lime. That's really, really sweet of him. Alright, so I had a nice dinner, and all of a sudden I have started to catch cold. Maybe I've been working as R2 in the aft for past few days, and after is usually kind of like cold in the aircraft. So at least that is what I feel. So I've been feeling this tomorrow also I'm gonna be operating 3 sectors, and now I'm gonna sleep. Had a nice dinner, catching a cold, so I'm gonna drink nice warm cup of green tea and go to bed and wake up tomorrow for the flight. So nothing much from this layover from Kolkata. I just got ready, and suddenly I got cold last night, so my nose is blocked, so I'm gonna sound nosy. And yeah, now I'm gonna go downstairs for breakfast and head on to the airport for the flight. And I'll see you guys once I get to Bangalore. I won't be taking out my phone or vlogging because I kind of feel like down because of my health. So yeah, just gonna take it gentle and slow. Alright, so landed at Bangalore, going home now. Bye! That's the day. Good morning. Okay, my face looks so well because I am doing my makeup. I'll see you guys when I'm ready because I don't want to be late. Alright. I'm ready for the flight. I'm ready for the cab. It's a hassle to get the cab in my location because they're always getting lost because of the dead end. So yeah, I'm operating 4 sectors today. It's gonna be a long day because we have a halt in between and I'll be home probably in the evening. And tomorrow is also I plan to go out today with friends, so let's see what happens. But for now, let's get the cab at the location. Amara Piara Mtos.
ये देखो कभी कभी फिर वो पूरा
Bangalore! Done for the day! That's good. I'll look at it. We got delayed, no? Oh. Yes, we got delayed by half an hour. It was a bit turbulent. That's why.